In this video, we listed the 15 best car gadgets for cosplay on Amazon that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Product 1. Product name: Yakima 4-Bike Hitch Mount Carrier. The Yakima 4-Bike Hitch Mount Carrier, specifically the double-down 4-tilting bike rack, is a versatile and reliable solution for transporting up to 4 bikes on a car, truck, or SUV. Designed with ease of use and durability in mind, this hitch-mounted carrier fits 1.25 and 2 receivers, making it compatible with a wide range of vehicles. Its tilting feature allows convenient rear access without the need to remove the rack, while the sturdy dual-arm design provides secure support for bikes of various frame styles. Built with Yakima's reputation for quality outdoor gear in mind, the Double Down 4 is ideal for families or groups heading out for weekend adventures, camping trips, or trail rides. Soft anti-sway cradles help minimize bike-to-bike contact and prevent frame damage during transport, while the trigger finger trademark technology allows the arms to fold down when not in use, enhancing vehicle clearance and garage storage. Whether you're hauling mountain bikes, road bikes, or kids' bikes, the Yakima Double Down 4 combines functionality, convenience, and rugged performance, making it a trusted choice for cyclists on the move. Product 2. Product name: OP7 Aura Aluminum LED Underglow Kit. The OP7 Aura Aluminum LED Underglow Kit is a premium automotive lighting solution designed to enhance your vehicle's exterior with vibrant, customizable illumination. This kit features rigid, waterproof aluminum strip lights that are built for durability and long-lasting performance in various weather conditions. With multicolor RGB light bars, users can create striking underglow effects that add a sleek, modern aesthetic to any car. One of the standout features of the OP7 Aura Kit is its music sound sync mode, which syncs the lighting effects with the rhythm and beats of your music, delivering an immersive visual experience. The included remote control allows for easy access to brightness, color, and pattern adjustments on the go, ensuring complete control over your lighting setup. Product 3. Product name: Rooftop Tent. The Rooftop Tent, hard-shell rooftop tent for 2 to 3 person, is an ideal solution for outdoor enthusiasts seeking comfort, convenience, and adventure while on the road. Designed to mount directly onto the roof racks of vehicles such as Jeeps, SUVs, trucks, vans, and camping cars, this tent offers a practical way to camp without the hassle of setting up on the ground. Built with a durable hard shell, this rooftop tent provides superior weather resistance, protection from the elements, and long-lasting reliability. The shell's aerodynamic design minimizes wind resistance while driving, and its quick deploy mechanism allows users to set up camp in just minutes. Spacious enough to comfortably accommodate 2 to 3 people, it features a high-density foam mattress, large mesh windows for ventilation and panoramic views, and an integrated ladder for easy access. Product 4. Product name: MagSafe 70225 Trailer Dolly. The MagSafe 70225 Trailer Dolly is a heavy-duty, practical solution for maneuvering trailers in tight spaces where a vehicle might not easily fit. Designed with ease and control in mind, this trailer dolly supports a maximum capacity of 600 pounds, making it suitable for moving small boat trailers, utility trailers, jet ski trailers, and similar applications around a driveway, garage, or yard. Equipped with 12-inch pneumatic tires, the MagSafe 70225 offers smooth mobility even over uneven terrain, while the solid steel construction and durable powder-coated finish provide enhanced durability and corrosion resistance. The ergonomic handle and padded grip allow for better leverage and control, minimizing strain during operation. Product 5. Product name: Astro AI Tire Inflator. The Astro AI Tire Inflator is a compact, 12 VDC portable air compressor designed for inflating car tires, bicycles, and various inflatables. With a maximum pressure of 100 psi and an airflow rate of 35 L/min, it can inflate a standard mid-sized car tire from 0 to 36 psi in approximately 4 to 6 minutes. Key features: automatic shut-off. The inflator automatically stops when the preset pressure is reached, preventing overinflation. Digital display. Equipped with a backlit LCD screen, it allows users to set and monitor pressure in psi, kPa, bar, or kg/cm units. LED light. An integrated LED flashlight provides illumination in low light conditions, aiding nighttime use. Portability. Weighing approximately 2.2 pounds and featuring a compact design, it includes a 10 feet power cord for easy reach to all tires. Versatility. Comes with multiple nozzle attachments, making it suitable for inflating car and bike tires, sports equipment, air pillows, and more. Product 6. Product name: Astro AIS 8 Car Battery Jump Starter. The Astro AIS 8 Car Battery Jump Starter is a compact yet powerful device designed to provide reliable roadside assistance. With a peak current of 1500 A, it can jump-start vehicles with gas engines up to 6.0 L and diesel engines up to 3.0 L, making it suitable for cars, motorcycles, SUVs, pickups, and even lawn mowers. Key features: Smart Boost Mode. Automatically detects battery voltage and activates a boost function for batteries below 9V, ensuring quick and efficient starts for fully drained batteries. Safety protections. Equipped with 8 integrated safety features, including reverse polarity, overcurrent, overvoltage, overload, overcharge, overdischarge, and short circuit protection, ensuring safe operation. Multifunctionality. Functions as a jump starter, portable power bank, and LED flashlight with 3 modes: flashlight, strobe, SOS, making it a versatile tool for various situations. Compact design, measuring 7.9 x 4.5 x 3.7 inches and weighing only 0.95 pounds, it's easy to store in a car or travel bag, providing convenience and peace of mind on the go. Product 7. Product name: Pro Chaser 400W Power Inverter. The Pro Chaser 400W Power Inverter is a practical and efficient solution for powering electronic devices directly from your vehicle's 12V DC outlet. Designed for versatility and reliability, this car inverter converts DC 12V to AC 110V, making it ideal for use during road trips, camping, or emergency situations. Equipped with dual AC outlets and dual 6.2A USB ports, it supports simultaneous charging of multiple devices such as laptops, smartphones, tablets, air compressors, and other small appliances. This compact yet powerful inverter offers 400 watts of continuous power and features built-in safety protections against overvoltage, overheating, overload, and short-circuiting, ensuring the safety of both the user and connected devices. Whether you're a frequent traveler, camper, or just looking for a reliable power backup in your vehicle, the Pro Chaser 400W Power Inverter provides a dependable and user-friendly solution for keeping your gear charged and ready. Product 8. Product name: Car Wash Kit. The Chemical Guys Hall 126 14-piece Arsenal Builder Car Wash Kit is a comprehensive and high-quality car cleaning set designed for car enthusiasts, DIY detailers, and anyone who loves maintaining their vehicle's shine. Tailored for both beginners and experienced users, this all-in-one kit includes everything needed for a professional-style wash right at home, making it a popular gift for car and truck lovers, especially dads and hobbyists. Key features: foam gun attachment, easily connects to a standard garden hose, no pressure washer needed. It creates thick, clinging foam that helps lift dirt and grime safely off the vehicle's surface. 5 premium 16 ounces car care chemicals. Car wash soap for a sudsy, scratch-free clean. Wheel cleaner to tackle brake dust and road grime. Spray wax for added shine and protection. Quick detailer for touch UPS. Interior cleaner for dashboard and upholstery maintenance. Product 9. Product name: Interior Cleaner and Protectant. Chemical Guy's Total Interior Cleaner and Protectant is a versatile, all-in-one solution designed to clean and protect virtually every interior surface of your vehicle. Whether you're maintaining a car, truck, SUV, or RV, this product simplifies detailing by eliminating the need for multiple cleaners. It's specially formulated to safely clean and condition leather, vinyl, plastic, rubber, and even glass, leaving a streak-free, matte finish without any greasy residue. This 16 ounces spray bottle is perfect for tackling dust, fingerprints, smudges, and light stains, while also offering UV protection to help prevent fading, cracking, and discoloration over time. Ideal for busy drivers or auto enthusiasts, Chemical Guy's Total Interior helps keep your cabin looking fresh, feeling clean, and smelling pleasant, all with a single product. Product 10. Product name: Phone Mount for MagSafe. The vacuum magnetic suction cup phone mount for MagSafe is a versatile and compact solution for securely mounting your smartphone in any vehicle. Designed to be universally compatible with all smartphones and car models, this mount is especially convenient for users who value both functionality and portability. Leveraging MagSafe technology, it features strong magnetic attraction for iPhones and other MagSafe-compatible devices, ensuring a stable hold even on bumpy roads. The vacuum suction cup base adheres firmly to dashboards or windshields, while the 360 degrees adjustable head allows for customized viewing angles, ideal for navigation, calls, or hands-free usage. Its pocket-sized, foldable design makes it highly portable, easily storable in a glove box or backpack, and quick to deploy. Product 11. Product name: Drop Stop. Drop Stop, the original patented car seat gap filler, as seen on Shark Tank, is an innovative product designed to prevent items from slipping into the often frustrating gap between your car seats and center console. This set of two fillers is crafted to fit snugly in the gap, eliminating the need to dig around for dropped items like coins, phones, and food, which typically get trapped in those hard-to-reach spaces. The product also includes a slide-free pad, which enhances its grip, ensuring that the drop stop stays in place, even when you're driving. This patented design was showcased on Shark Tank, gaining significant attention for its practicality and ease of use. It serves as an excellent solution for keeping your car organized, making it especially useful for those who drive frequently or want to maintain a clean and clutter-free car interior. With a focus on durability, the drop stop is designed to work with virtually all cars and is made from high-quality materials. Product 12. Product name: UER 2-pack sunglasses holders. The UER 2-pack sunglasses holders for car visor offer a stylish and functional solution for keeping your sunglasses secure and easily accessible while driving. Designed with a magnetic leather construction, these holders provide a sleek appearance and ensure that your glasses remain in place during your journey. Key features: magnetic leather design. The holders are crafted from high-quality leather with a magnetic closure, allowing for easy one-handed operation. This design ensures that your sunglasses are held securely without the risk of scratches or damage. Universal fit. These holders are compatible with most car visors, making them a versatile accessory for various vehicle models. Dual functionality. In addition to holding sunglasses, each holder features a ticket or card clip, providing extra convenience for storing parking tickets or business cards. Product 13. Product name: Revlock Compact RV Lock Keyless Entry. The Revlock Compact RV Lock Keyless Entry is a modern and secure solution designed to replace traditional locks on RV doors, trailers, and campers. It offers a keyless entry system that enhances convenience and security. Featuring a remote control for easy access, this lock eliminates the need for physical keys, making it ideal for individuals who frequently use RVs or trailers. The Revlock Compact RV Lock is equipped with patented security technology, ensuring that your camper or trailer remains safe from unauthorized access. Its durable design makes it a reliable choice for long-term use, withstanding the harsh outdoor elements that RVs often face. This lock also serves as a direct replacement for existing camper latches, allowing for easy installation. Given its advanced security features and robust build, the RVLOC Compact RV Lock Keyless Entry provides peace of mind for RV owners, allowing them to securely store their belongings while enjoying the convenience of keyless entry. Product 14. Product name 4-in-1 Handheld Car Vacuum Cleaner. The 4-in-1 Handheld Car Vacuum Cleaner cordless is a versatile, rechargeable cleaning tool designed to provide a convenient and powerful solution for both car and home cleaning. This multifunctional device combines several essential tools into one compact unit, offering a 150 tire inflator, air compressor pump, and a 6,000 PA vacuum cleaner. It's perfect for cleaning car interiors, including carpets, upholstery, and hard-to-reach spaces, while also providing the ability to inflate tires, making it a great all-in-one solution for your vehicle. The vacuum cleaner is cordless, which enhances portability and convenience, allowing you to use it in various locations such as the car, home, or office. With USB charging capabilities, it ensures ease of use and flexibility when it comes to recharging. The high-performance vacuum motor delivers an efficient 6,000 PA suction power, making it highly effective at picking up dirt, debris, and even pet hair from upholstery or floor mats. Product 15. Product name Touchscreen OBD2 Code Reader. The 3 all-new touchscreen OBD2 code reader, digital gauges and trip computer with Wi-Fi updates SG3 is a sophisticated diagnostic tool designed for vehicle owners and professionals who need to monitor their vehicle's health in real time. This device integrates multiple functionalities, making it an essential tool for anyone interested in tracking vehicle performance and conducting quick diagnostics. Key features of the SG3 include touchscreen interface. The SG3 offers a user-friendly touchscreen, making it easy to navigate through diagnostic functions and vehicle data. This touch interface improves accessibility and streamlines the experience of checking vehicle parameters. OBD2 Code Reader. As a crucial diagnostic tool, it reads and clears OBD2 codes, allowing users to easily identify any engine problems or system malfunctions. It supports a wide range of vehicles, making it versatile for different models. Digital gauges. The SG3 displays live data from the vehicle's sensors, such as engine temperature, fuel efficiency, and RPM. It allows users to monitor essential stats in real time, aiding in proactive maintenance and improving vehicle performance.